Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. I've not posted for a long time, for like a month now, and I'm back again with another video, and this time round it's about my natural hair. As you all can see, this is my natural hair. I have a 4C type of natural hair. My hair is so brittle. I'm going to show you how I manage my natural hair, and to show you guys how I do twist outs on my hair, and which products I usually use, how I manage it, and I usually manage my hair oftenly. Not an easy job to manage, or rather to maintain your natural hair, because most of the times this kind of 4C's hair, they're so brittle, they are so fragile. You have to have some other ways on how you have to manage your hair. So today I have some of the products I usually use when I'm doing my twist outs, and so I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to be using, because I'm going to show you step by step on how I usually do my twist outs. So without further ado, let me just show you some of the products. Let me just start with this one. This one is a spray bottle with water, and it's very essential when you spray water on my hair for moisture purposes. And then I have some leave-in conditioning. I use Cantu condition, and also I have leave-in treatment. This one I use Lori's. And then I have two oils that I usually seal in the moisture, because I don't want that moisture to just to evaporate. So I usually use oils so that I can seal in my moisture. So I use the olive oil, which has some black castor oil, and then also I have some coconut oil. Coconut oil is very nice. It's especially when you're sealing in your moisture, it is very nice because it stays in the hair for a long time. Out of experience, I have used it for a very long time, and it is very essential, especially when you're doing your natural hair. So as you all can see, as I have already told you, this is my natural hair, and so we're going to start. First and foremost, I'll just section my hair into 4 parts. That's how I do it. We already have 4 sections. So what I'll do, I'll just take one section one by one. I'll just take my water over here, and then I'll just spray all in. First of all, I'll spray, and then I'll just work it in. I'll work the water in like that. So make sure you have some adequate amount of water. It's very important, because with water, your hair will never go wrong with water. That's for sure. Even if you put water in your hair for like every day, it's a very good moisturizer. Because when I'm combing it, I want it to be, I want it to be smooth. So when you're combing, make sure you start from the edges to the roots. So don't start from here, from the roots. Always start combing your hair from here, so to avoid damaging your hair. So that's it. You see, water is very good, because it will make your hair at least to become softer when you're combing it. And as you all can see, I can walk through my hair with so much ease. So that's how I do it. And then after that, you don't need to really comb it so much. Come to conditioner, leave-in conditioner, this one. So I'll just work it in as well. And the smell is so good. I really love it because of that smell. Another thing that I love about it is it's white, but it will not leave your hair with those white particles. Cream will just dissolve with time. It will dissolve, and it will not leave those white particles on your hair. So, and then after that, I use again the Lori's leave-in treatment. Also, I really love it because also it's dissolved well. It really dissolves so well. So I just put some enough amount, and then I work it in. Like after 1 day only, after, you'll see your hair will not have this some whiteness, and that's why I love these products. And then after that, I use the olive oil. I spray in my olive oil. I spray in my olive oil. This one is to seal in the moisture. I love the smell of this one. This one, olive oil. I really love the smell, because, and also it's very essential. It detangles your knots very well. It makes your hair to become so strong and promotes thicker hair. And also it's very essential. It has all the good products. It has it has black castor oil, so you can only imagine what that can really do on your hair. All the good things. It will do all the good things on your hair. So, and then after that, I usually use my coconut oil. This one is very nice to me. Natural coconut oil for hair, and usually you can also use it on your body. The same coconut oil, you can use it on your body. It's very nice, and yeah, so it's good when after you moisturize your hair, to seal in your moisture. You put some adequate amount of the coconut oil, just to detangle your hair from the edges to the roots. You see, it is when you moisturize your hair, it really makes your work much easier. I'll just section my hair into some section. Let's say I section my hair like that. As I'm doing my twist outs, I just section my hair again into some small sections, and then I detangle again with this through my hair with too much ease. So then after that, I'll just show you how I do my twist out with this one. Let's work with this one first. So I've already sectioned it. So let's just do my twist out. Let me show you step by step how I usually do. So after sectioning it, so and it will not come out, trust me, it cannot. So again, the same you just repeat the same procedure. You just section just some little bit of your hair like that. Detangle your hair once more with this kind of I usually detangle it with this kind of comb. It's much easier for me, and the hair detangles so well. So that's it. And then I take my twist out again, the same procedure as we have done to the first one. I'm a lover of twist outs. I prefer twist outs than braids on my hair, because I believe when you do twist out, it's a very protective hair. You don't have to worry about your edges, because sometimes you can do I have that kind of a hair, or rather my hair is that kind that when I do some braids and then these parts are stretched, my hair gets damaged, especially on this. My hairline is gets damaged, and I find myself not having hair, literally. And that's why I don't like most of the times doing braids. Braids are not, they don't favor my hair that much, so that's why I prefer twist outs. Yeah, so let's do it. So far so good. That's how they're turning out. So again, the same procedure. Let's do it. Let's go. Remember, this is the first section that we moisturize. We still have 3 sections to go. Yeah. So far so good. Let's continue. onto your hair without before doing anything else. This is the most important thing. This is the best moisture ever. So, and also it helps when you're detangling your hair. It makes it much easier. So you just put in some enough water. Cantu leave-in conditioner. It's my favorite conditioner, leave-in conditioner. So after again you use the Lorie's, this one is Lorie's leave-in treatment. This one, you just put again some enough amount. It's very important. Your olive oil to seal in the moisture. Coconut oil, it's very good. The last one that I usually use to seal in the moisture, I want to retain the moisture in there. So that's why I use it. And then after that, I take my comb. After I will show you the amount of hair that I've lost. After I finish, I'll show you. And I'm sure it's not going to be that much because it's normal to lose just a little amount of your hair when you're working on your hair, on your natural hair. So yeah, you start from the edges to the roots to prevent damaging your hair. Section it again into small bits because I just want to do my twist outs. So this one is enough. So we're just repeating the same procedure as we did before on the second section. This section, and from the roots you're working already detangled. I believe I've detangled it so well. Yeah, and then you make your twist outs. I feel this one is smaller than the first one, but it's okay. So, okay, just make a twist out. This is how it's done. This one, this way. You just take the first strand and then you put it backwards, then again backwards. Yeah, like that. And your twist out will come as like that. So, as you all can see, this is my twist out. Guys, that's the final thing. See, this is how I do it. Those are my twist outs. They're very protective for your hair, so that's why I do them for just for some. They're just temporary. So for some time I'll be protecting my hair just like this because I'm not planning to do the hair anytime soon. I'm not planning to go to the salon anytime soon, so that's why I have put this protective style that is going to last me for like 1 week. So that's the final product. So, and I'm done. So yeah, that's it. That's how I usually do my twist outs, and I've already shown you the products that I usually use. They are locally available. They are everywhere. You can always use them because they are very nice, especially when you're detangling your hair. Olive oil. It's a moisture lock. It locks in the moisture, it retains the moisture, and also it's a detangle spray. So when you spray this one on your hair, automatically your hair becomes easier to detangle when you're using your combs. Yeah, and that's it. So after I've finished doing my twist out, I usually take this olive oil and then I'll spray it around like this because I also love the smell of the spray. As I had already told you earlier on, I'll be showing you how much hair I've lost after doing the detangling, after doing this my twist outs. Let me just show you the hair that all the amount of hair that I've lost. Yeah, that's it. So thank thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed, and if you have not yet subscribed, hitting the subscribe button down below, this down here, the red subscribe button down below. Also consider turning on the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll be the first ones to watch. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you've learned something from this video. I hope you've maybe you'll try the product that I usually use in your twist out. You already know how now it's done, how I do them, and you know it's a very protective style. I love it. Your hair will not get damaged. You'll not be worried about how your hairline is going to do. So yeah, that's about it. So thank you so much. Have a blessed day, have a blessed week ahead, and goodbye. Love you guys.
In the crossfire.